So I would say work block was very successful. I managed to finish everything I wanted. And now I have to run some errands, and it's a really nice location, so I'm excited to take you with me. All right, let's see it. I got inspired by the tea that I was drinking earlier, and so I got some rose buds, organic rose buds, and then I got some dry raspberry, and I'm gonna mix in some raspberry leaf to make kind of like my own tea. So I'll take you into the process after I have lunch.
Why'd you have me arrested? Weapons beef. So I'm getting my gun back. No.
So for lunch today, I'm doing a herbal like pasta salad with some grilled aubergines, some beans, some corn, some dried tomatoes, a little bit of pesto sauce. And here I cooked a little bit of tofu. I love this spinach tofu. It's not spinach, sorry, basilicum tofu, or like basil tofu that I buy from my local grocery store. And yeah, it's quite warm and nice and nourishing, especially good for me at this time of the year, but also time of my cycle, and very, very nutritious and healthy. So love it. But here's something I noticed. I think Allison is very, very good at creating templates, and maybe this is something like whatever knowledge she has, she can transfer it to us. Because I mean, I tried. I didn't even get close to what she has right now. So if we really want to make our, let's say, our template stand out, like the one she did, because after the pilot, I don't think she's going to be available to do stuff for us.